Well into my 50s, I decided to start a YouTube channel. Madness, you might say. Why did you do that? Well, I thought it'd be a bit of fun. I was very curious to see what this YouTube thing was all about. Maybe I could make some pocket money. A little bit of cash from it if I ever got monetized. Well, I'm well into that journey now, and I was well into my 50s when I started it. And it was harder than I thought, and it was easier than I thought. The easy side would have been the technology. I mean, we could all take a video on our phone. The tech was no issue to me. What was harder? It was new. There was quite a learning curve. Patience is a tricky one. It doesn't happen as fast as you think. And consistency. What do you do to be able to consistently come up with the ideas, publish new videos? Was it worth it? Absolutely. It's been real good fun. I've learned some new things. I come out on video like this sometimes. It's great for thinking, coming up with ideas. I'm very comfortable now talking in front of the camera. And I would recommend it. If you're over 50, we've all got knowledge. That's the one big benefit of being over 50. We've been around long enough to have learnt a lot of things. And we could pass them on to the young folk, and we could pass them on to people of our generation and older. I've learned a lot from people much, much older than me, 70s, 80s. It's amazing what these people learn. So if you're thinking about it, have a go. And in this channel, I'll highlight the pitfalls. I'll document my journey as it went on, and I'll show you some shortcuts if I find them, and hopefully give you some inspiration. It's fun. I'll see you in the next one.